Welcome to my channel. Today we're making banana pancakes with the addition of 2 tablespoons of corn flour. For this recipe we'll need 2 small bananas. The riper they are, the better. I peel them and mash with a fork. The most important part of this recipe is making sure no one eats the bananas before we start cooking. I don't add sugar because the bananas are already very sweet, but if you like, you can add 1 tablespoon. Transfer everything into a large bowl for convenience. Next, take 160 grams of soft cheese. It's slightly salty, so I didn't add any extra salt. Crack in 2 eggs, whisk the yolks and whites together, and pour them into the bowl. Mix again until smooth. You can use regular cottage cheese. Just rub it through a sieve or blend it to remove any lumps. With regular cottage cheese, the pancakes will be a bit less tender, but still tasty and nutritious. When the mixture looks uniform, pour in 130 milliliters of room temperature milk. Add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. You can replace it with cornstarch. Mix well so there are no large lumps, and we can start frying the pancakes. Since we didn't add any oil to the batter, make sure to lightly grease the pan before each pancake. Pour some batter into the center of the pan to form small, neat pancakes and cover with a lid for 1 minute. They don't stick, flip easily, and cook well on slightly above medium heat. Continue frying the rest until golden brown. They cook very quickly, and the aroma of banana immediately fills the kitchen. These pancakes are not only delicious, they're a bit healthier than regular ones. They turn out soft, golden, and naturally sweet, without adding any sugar. Just like that, with only 2 bananas, we get the most aromatic morning pancakes. The finished banana pancakes are incredibly tender, soft as a cloud, light and fluffy. They're gentle, aromatic, and have a natural banana sweetness with a delicate, airy texture. These pancakes are perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even a light dessert. Serve them with honey, yogurt, or enjoy them just as they are. They're wonderful on their own. This is one of those recipes where simple ingredients create something warm, cozy, and truly comforting. Enjoy! If you like this recipe, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. There's always something delicious waiting for you here. See you next time. Bye-bye!